Hello friends, today we'll discuss questions from sitting arrangement and it comes in the logical section, and again this is very important from examination point of view, and most of the students actually practice this more and more in order to be very good at this, because in the examination if you are good at this then you will definitely get an edge over other aspirants. So one must approach this question and try to solve as many questions as they can. So this is the part 1 and will come with various parts. Initially it will be easy, but with the passage of time, with the passage of different parts we'll discuss later, the difficulty level will increase. So without wasting any time, I would like to suggest all of you to be ready with a pen and paper. Once we are done with all the questions, we'll go to the answer section and we'll see if we have got the correct answer or not. So be ready with a pen and paper, try to decode this particular question, and then we'll move on to the question. So without wasting time, let us go to the first question. So it says A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting around a circle and are facing the center. G is second to the left of C, who is to the immediate left of F.
A is third to the left of E, B is between D and E. So moving to the question 1. Which of the following is true? Option A, C is fourth to the left of B. Option B, A is to the immediate right of G. Option C, D is second to the left of E. Option D, B is second to the right of G. Or option E, none of this. Okay, moving to the next question. Which of the following is false? A is fourth to the right of E, G is to the immediate right of D, F is third to the right of D, B is to the immediate left of D, or option E, none of this. See the figure you have drawn and based on that answer this question. Okay, so moving to the next question. You can pause the video and try to solve. There is no problem in that. Moving to the next question. Which of the following pairs has the first person sitting to the immediate left of the second person? Try to understand this question. The first person sitting to the immediate left of the second person. Option A, B, E. Option B, C, A. Option C, G, D. Option D, D, G. Or option E, none of this. Moving to the next question. Which of the following has the middle person sitting between the remaining two? Option A, F, C, E. Option B, E, F, B. Option C, D, E, B. Option D, G, D, A. Or option E, none of this. Okay, moving to the last question. Which of the following is the position of F? 4 to the right of D, to the immediate left of C, between A and E, to the immediate right of A, or option E, none of this. So we are done with 5 questions. Now we'll see whether we have got the correct figure, and then we'll see the explanation of all the questions and the correct answers. Okay, so this is the final chart. I hope you all have got the correct chart. In case you haven't, you can see this is the correct chart. So this is the answer of the first question. As per the final chart given above, it's evident that it's A who is sitting to the immediate right of G. Hence, option B is the correct answer. So moving to the next question. This is the answer of question number 2. As per the figure, F is third to the left of D, and hence the statement mentioned in option C is false. Moving to the third question. This is the explanation of third question. As per the final chart given above, only in the pair DG, the first person D sits to the immediate left of G. Hence the answer is option D. So this is the answer of question number 3, which is option D. Moving to the question number 4. As per the final chart given above, it's evident that none of the given groups satisfies the given condition. Okay, so the correct answer is option E, none of this. Hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the final question. So this is the 5th question, and the explanation is, as per the final chart given above, F's position is 4th to the right of D. As you can see, the position of F is 4th to the right of D in the figure. So I hope you all have got the correct answers and you have managed to decode this particular sitting arrangement correctly. So this is part 1, and we'll bring various parts in the future. So do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.